Mm, 2 years ago, I tried to write a report to prosecutor's office. I wanted to report this crime. Unfortunately, I didn't have evidences. Plus, all the time I was interrupted, so I couldn't get the proper ones. And I was convinced that their time is about to end. I thought it was August 2021. I thought they have time till the end of 2021, so I thought I'll wait. Later I was distracted all the time. Plus I started to learn computer science and programming as I will to write malware. Malware is malicious software, and that has ability to do whatever it wants with computer's victim. I've learned a bit about cybersecurity, but mostly I started with a proper learning. I decided that if I want to do this on a proper level, I have to have proper education. So I was learning about C programming language and Python programming language, in which languages I'm right now able to program. For now, it's not a malware, but I will speak about my computer science journey later. Right now, I'm aiming toward the things like in 2021 I have gained a bit of knowledge about neuroscience and neurotechnology. I've read lots of researches around the world, and I'm being distracted right now, but and I decided to write the report. I know this is a kind of difficult issue, and it might be like using legal moves. It might be insufficient. That I'm aware that it is kind of one of these complex cases that getting evidence in illegal way might give me result. According to Polish law, it's not directly said if evidences that were gained illegally they can be evidence or not. But to start investigation, obviously, this should be sufficient. But having this in my mind, I knew that I have to use all legal steps that I can make. And in the case of failure, then I'll be able to make criminal steps. And later on not being punished for them, so I'll have my defense line like I didn't have another choice and I was right. But I was reading lots about it, and at the time I was focused on mostly learning programming. Last year was the same. In November, they've created a situation. They were abusing me, not letting me to sleep for 1 month. However, actually, half of year, I had big problems with my sleep, and I was put in the states of phobia and pain. Like all the time, I was in pain. It is possible, unfortunately, but I've survived this somehow. But they created a situation when they said like, oh, if I, because I said like I have enough of listening about organizers or previous group, because they constantly claim that the previous group was evil, just like them. Other groups are evil, just like them, and the organizers are evil, just like them. So it's not worth to look for them. And they knew. I was telling them as I talk a lot that there's no point. I have my own point of view on previous group, so I can assume what should I think about organizers. I see them that they're definitely running away from these organizers, so I can, 2 plus 2 is 4. I can deduct like previous group was okay, this group is evil, this group is running away from organizers, then what type of people organizers are, right? Or what this experimentation is for. But I was really, full of these things, and they knew about this, and they created a situation, and they said, they make a voice like it's me, thinking like if I count to 1,000, I'll count the situation when I encounter word or mentioning, and I've lost words on mentioning, talking about organizers or previous group, and when I count up to 1,000, then I change my plan, and I will start to ask other groups to contact with organizers. But after I said it, it's not to me to follow this algorithm, but it's up to me what I will do with this. I thought, no, if you think like I will count till December, till the end of December, till 1,000, then you're crazy and out of your mind. And I said, okay, let's make a proportion, and I will count up to, if it will happen up to 2 weeks, then I will change my plans. But they started to be ruled, but they're all the time, by the way, but not ruled and sarcastic. I thought, okay, then we just decided, okay, I just counted, let's say, up to I don't know what was the number actually, but I just counted the number, and I'll change my plan. And next day, I was forced like to check something about one guy from other psychiatric clinics, and the day after I speak with one of the victims, and she mentioned the same name and surname, and from that talk I was able to deduct what they might said to other groups. But I think I just lost the main cause of the things I said. Oh, I didn't. So I thought, okay, before I go and ask other groups, I have to have like some kind of preparation, make myself a bit more secure. I was thinking about creating a website last year, so I decided I'll make this website now. I'll use materials I have saved on my computer, and I will create a website, and later, before I'll speak with other groups, request for contact with organizers, I will send this address to this website to private investigators, investigation journalists, workers that are connected with military, secret services, lawyers, programmers, hackers, administrators of IT infrastructure, and when I will send it to, let's say, at least 500 people, and I'll get response from 5 of them, then I'll go and ask one of the clubs for help with contacting me with organizers. And I'll speak something more about this website in the next video.